Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making creamy mushroom chicken pasta. This is an easy Italian dish that you can make in under 30 minutes. Anyone with basic cooking skills can make it at home. Give this a try and let me know how you like it. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients you will need to make this recipe. First, let's marinate the chicken. This is 2 chicken breasts, that is 350 grams. To this I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 3/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and 3/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Give this a nice mix and keep this aside for 10 minutes. Now let's boil the pasta. I'm using 400 grams of fusilli pasta. In a pot, bring water to a boil. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This will prevent pasta from sticking. Water has come to a rolling boil. Add the pasta and cook according to the instructions given on the box. Once the pasta is 3/4 done, strain it. Reserve some water for later use. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the marinated chicken. Cook this for 3 minutes. Chicken is done 3/4. Now I'm adding button mushrooms. Cook this for 2 more minutes on a medium heat. Mushroom and chicken are done. Now push them to one side of the pan. Add a teaspoon of olive oil. Add a tablespoon of crushed garlic and a tablespoon of red chili flakes and saute this for a while. Now give it a quick toss and combine everything together. Add 2 cups of fresh cream, 1 cup of milk and half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Mix well, let it come to a boil. Add 1/4 teaspoon of rosemary and some basil leaves. In this stage, add a teaspoon of salt and give a mix. Now the cream mixture has come together. Add the boiled pasta and toss well until well combined. If you feel that your pasta is thick, add the starch water which we reserved it earlier. Creamy mushroom chicken pasta is done. Garnish it with some chopped basil leaves. Try this easy creamy cheesy pasta and let me know how you like it. Before serving, sprinkle some Parmesan cheese and serve hot. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. If you do, consider subscribing, like and post your feedback about this recipe in the comment section below. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.